With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, let's take a question. So here the question is that here the question is the paragraph based question, and here it is given that the amide undergoes the hydrolysis to yield the carboxylic acid plus amine on heating in the either aqueous acid or aqueous base. So the conditions required for the amide hydrolysis are more severe than those required for ester and anhydride or the chlorides, but the mechanism is similar, that is the nucleophilic acyl substitution. It involves the tetrahedral intermediate and hence quite different from alkali substitution, okay, which involves pentavalent intermediate or transition state. So one of the important reaction of ester is their reaction with the two equivalent of Grignard reagent to give the tertiary alcohol. So here we are given about the amides, that the amides undergo the hydrolysis to yield the carboxylic acid. Okay, and what are their conditions and what is the mechanism, that is the nucleophilic acyl substitution. Okay, but here our question is the mechanism involved during the hydrolysis of the acid derivative is. So we want to know that if we have the hydrolysis of the acid derivative, then what is the mechanism followed. Okay, so here we have the acid derivative, that is acid halide. Okay, so when we have the hydrolysis, here we have the formation of the carboxylic acid. So here the mechanism that is followed is, here we have RCOCl. Okay, here what we will have is, here we have R C double bond O, here we have Cl, here we have HOH, here we have is this will attack here, here we have this, and this will here. Okay, so now here when we have this step, after this step what we will have is, we will have the formation of the tetrahedral intermediate. Okay, we will have the formation of tetrahedral intermediate, and here we have is R, here we have C, here we have this, here we have is the O, here we have Cl, here we have OH, here we have H, here we have plus, here we have is this, here we have this, and here we have minus. Okay, so this is our tetrahedral intermediate, this is our tetrahedral intermediate. Okay, so now here what we will have is, after this we have the formation of this step. Here we have, here we have is R. Okay, here we have R, here we have is the O, here we have Cl. Okay, let's have it properly. Sorry. Okay, here we have is the this. Okay, here we have this representation for the R group, and here we have this, and here what we have OH2 plus, here we have this. Okay, so this will move here because here we have this bond, here we have is this minus. Okay, and this will move here. Now after this step what we will have is, after this step we had the formation of this one, R C double bond O, here we have this, here we have OH2 plus. Okay, because here we have got the removal of Cl, here we have got the removal of Cl minus. After this step what we will get is, after this step we get the formation of R C double bond O, here we have O, here we have H. Okay, so this will move here, here we have is this. Okay, here we have this, and here we have Cl, here we have Cl minus. Okay, this Cl minus will be here. Okay, now in the next step what we have is, in the next step we will get the formation of the carboxylic acid. We will get the formation of carboxylic acid. Okay, so here what is this whole mechanism? What is this whole mechanism? If we see here, this generally takes place by the nucleophilic addition elimination. Okay, how? Because here this H2O bonds to the electrophilic carbonyl carbon atom to create a tetrahedral intermediate. Okay, then this intermediate undergoes an elimination to yield products. Okay, it is undergoing the elimination. In this two-stage mechanism, we have the bond formation. Okay, so here what we have is the nucleophilic addition elimination mechanism. Nucleophilic addition elimination. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.